Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Oaklands apartment complex on Constant Spring Road. This is one of the largest residential developments you're going to find in the city of Kingston, in the St. Andrew area. It's located off Constant Spring Road between Mary Brown's Corner and West Avenue. And it's a mix between apartments. The buildings you're seeing on the left and right now are the apartments, and then these 7-story tall structures, the 7-story structures are the apartments, like these towers you're seeing in front, and then to the left and the right now is the apartments. These were built a couple of years ago, probably in the 80s or 90s, in the 90s or early 2000s. But the complex is well maintained, as you can see. A very nice complex. Alright, so we're heading out of the complex now and going on to Constant Spring Road. So if we turn left, we take Constant Spring Road down to Halfway Tree. Turn right, we take Constant Spring Road up to the Manor Park area. So we went straight across and we are now on West Avenue. So if we turn left at this stoplight now, we go on to Dunrobin Avenue and head up to back towards Constant Spring Road and Crossroads. We turn right, we go on to Washington Boulevard and head out towards Mandela Highway.